Hello, this morning we will repair skyworth 32-inch flat screen TV. So this is the problem.
Nay, mabakal ko rin suna, be. Nagpila na rin suna mo.
Okay, let's try the power on.
Maybe.
You can see the screen. So we will try to fix this problem on the LCD panel on the area of Ticon board. So please stand by. So first we check this side fuse if open or broken. So turn on the unit and check this about 12 volt, so it's normal. And then look for BGH and check if the voltage is present. On this side the voltage is missing, and check the other BGL. Look for the BGL. Here the voltage is also missing. So first suspect is the DC to DC converter IC, and before you finally check this, check for the shorted capacitor and shorted line going to the LCD panel here. Or if you check it all, then the problem is continue, then replace the stick-on board. So we will try to check the supply for 3 volt. So look for the BCC here and check 3 volt is okay, 3.3 volt normal. To find the BCOM here, BCOM is okay. And another one, find the BDD. Here the BDD. So the BDD is okay, 16.9 volt, around 17 volt. So stand by and I will check it again. Again, this is the another way to check if the Ticon board is damaged or not. Just remove this flex going to the LCD panel one by one, then check it again, power on the unit, and check again the BGH. So nothing happened, so turn off. This is how to troubleshoot the Ticon board. Turn off again, then remove the left side of the flex going to the LCD, then turn on and test again the supply of the BGH. So nothing happened, so we're going to check this area of the Ticon board. The first suspect is this. Before you finally check this, look for a shorted capacitor or a transistor. So try again. So now guys, after I check all the parts of the Ticon board, Now the BGH have voltage, so let's try and check. Let's check the voltage is around 26.0. This is normal voltage of the BGH, very high gate. So the problem is here, the capacitor and the diode, step up diode, and this IC, but I give life to this BGH. So let's try to connect the LCD panel. So before you finally say that this is the problem, the chicken board, try to analyze, then try to check the component present here on the line of BGH, and try to check if shorted. Put the test on the ground, the body, then the negative here, then set your test into the beep sound or any ×1. Okay, then check the shortage. Now the voltage is okay, so let's try. I changed the diode here because I have this problem in the COF inside. The COF here is born. Now I cut the line here, then jumper the other one. So now the LCD TV is okay, and the voltage here in the BGH is normal, about 25-26 volt. Then the supply going this side of the LCD got a problem, but this side is okay. So let's close them. So guys, ito na po yung skyworth. So please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.